You've come across a lot of patients over the years, but it's unfortunate some of them pass. What's your feeling about that?
That's a great question. We get asked from time to time, how do you deal with a patient passing? Sometimes, patients lose their battles with comorbid medical conditions. Sometimes they have a surprising accident while they're being treated. Sometimes they're just up in age and it's their time. The first thing that I feel, and it's happened to me, I've been practicing 25 years, it's gratitude. It's grateful for being a small part of their journey, of being able to impart a little bit of education, having a good laugh with them, sharing a joke, or even a lesson. I'll try my best not to get emotional, but when I think back, Bob, Mike, Ruth, I could go through many names of patients whose lives have crossed paths with me personally, with our clinic, etc. But I remember catching this gentleman once just kind of staring off into space, and I walked up to him and I said, "Hey, you okay? What's going on? You look a little off." And he goes, "Oh, I'm just thinking about my daughter." And I said, "What about her? Everything okay?" And he says, "Oh, no, she passed on many years ago." And I said, "Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I had no idea." He says, "Oh, no, I know. I lost her when she was 17. She got hit by a semi when she stopped on the side of the road to change a tire." And I was kind of locked in. I just didn't know what to say. I was speechless in that moment. And I said, I don't know what to say. I'm so sorry." And he says, "Oh, it's okay. It's all right. She was a gift from God, and I got to have her for 17 years, and my life will never be the same because I got to have her as a gift from God for 17 years. She wasn't mine, she was His." And he looked up at the heavens, and of course I'm standing in the middle of the clinic and I'm starting to tear up going, "Oh my God," so I excused myself for a second. I said, "I'll be right back." And I went and composed myself and came back, and I was just like, I've never heard that before, but thank you. Thank you for that wisdom. And it's incredible. Thank you. So I guess, you asked the question, how does it feel when you lose a patient for this reason, that reason, or any reason? And just, it feels grateful. Grateful that I got a chance to know them. Grateful that we were able to share some personal stories. Grateful that I was able to maybe move the needle for them functionally, help them be a little bit more independent, be in a little less pain, need a little bit less help, get rid of the cane, get rid of the walker, which is, oftentimes the case, or, if it's a younger person, God forbid, it's, help them get back to sport and help them get to feeling like their old self again. So just gratitude, to be a part of someone else's journey. Really, that's the feeling. Thanks for asking the question. That was a tough one.